This is one of the exceptional cars. Everyone that's seen it and worked on it and touched it in the shop said this is a good one. It flew right through our shop. It's from a really good seller. Everything I get from him is outstanding. New owner is going to be really pleased. What we have here is a 1967 Camaro Rally Sport. According to the trim tag, it was born like you see it. Factory red car with white deluxe interior. It was born a factory 4-speed Rally Sport. He did upgrade it to a 5-speed, so you can get out on the highway, click it into that 5th gear, and you're just cruising all day long. This is a meticulous nut and bolt body off frame restoration. Numbers match. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the info, look at pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find the price tag along with an easy monthly payment. And there's also a buy it now button. If you see something you really like, I highly suggest click that button before someone beats you to it. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon if you want to be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing's killer. This is a really, really nice car. The body is amazing. We'll start up here as usual. The hood is square and flush, not a dent or a ripple. It's all straight. Fender is all straight. This bright red paint is smooth and glossy. This is all clean all the way down. The gap is right on. There are some little touch-ups right along here that have been made. This is clean and straight. Gap is real tight. All clean, straight. The body lines all the way to the bottom is beautiful. No rust or damage. This all lines up real nice. Has front and rear spoiler. All of this is looking great. No issues. Fantastic. Nice, nice, nice. Clean all the way at the bottom. It's a Rally Sport, so it has the extra wide rocker moldings down here, and they're in like new condition. So the body is amazing. A couple little touch-ups on the paint over there is the only thing I found, and they're not even noticeable. Correctly painted on, white nose stripe. So the main option in a Rally Sport's the hidden headlights. In '67, they were electric, so these do work. The grille all looks like new. The bumper, emblems, everything up here is sparkling like new. Correct antenna is sparkling. Windshield's crystal clear. Looks like the moldings were replaced. It has bow tie mirror on both sides. The vent window, just a few little pits in the chrome, but real nice and shiny. The rubber is good. Window fuzzies are new. This is one where I really like the vinyl top. I think the white against the red gives it a real pop. The white vinyl is in excellent shape. Door handle's new. The rear glass looks new. All the trim looks new. Back here, the tail lights, the Rally Sport gas cap, bumper, all of it's beautiful. Rally Sport also moves the reverse lights down here. All the others, they're up here. And it's sitting on a set of reproduction Firestone wide oval redline tires. They look like they're 14x7 wheels. They look a little wider. Stainless trim, all looks beautiful. They're the right 67 center caps. So yeah, the outside of the car is gorgeous, and everything I'm going to show you inside is just as gorgeous. I'm going to show you what a trunk should look like on a '67 Camaro. Painted beautifully. It has the sticker. Jam is painted just as slick. Weather strip is replaced. Inside's all clean metal with a neat spatter finish. We got the mat. We got a tire cover over the spare. And the jack is even in a matching bag. So you got complete. And then if you can catch the back here, all the latches, the housings, the nuts, bolts, the wiring harness, all looks new. That's like a brand new trunk compartment. I also just rolled up the side windows. They all roll up smooth, and it's all new glass all the way around. They fit nicely too. Door jambs are painted real slick. The rubber bumpers and weather strips and latches all look clean. The sill plates are shiny. So it's a deluxe interior, so it has the molded door panels. That's all been replaced. It's like a parchment white. And the whole dash area is mint. The dash pad's new, the knobs are new. All of this is nice and clean. The heater control panel is new. Has a retro stereo, fits right in the factory hole. And the ashtray is new. Kick panels and vents all look new. New carpet fits real nice. Reproduction mats, interior lights work. So it's got a Muncie shift handle like it would have originally, but it is now a 5-speed. And then, of course, it has the deluxe seats. It has the striping. It has reproduction deluxe seat belts. They look brand new. And everything in back. Seat belts, floor mats, side panels, armrest, everything looks brand new. The rear speaker shelf, the trim around the windows, working dome lights, headliner tight as a drum, not even a wrinkle. Visors look like new. The mirror's nice and tight, crystal clear. And look at how the steering wheel sparkles. And watch this. It's a tilt wheel. Super nice car. Everywhere, in and out. So that's the original 327. The correct numbers and codes and dates and correct casting codes. It is the 4-barrel, 275 horsepower. Does sound like it has even a hotter cam now. But look, it's all stock. The air cleaner, the fuel line, valve covers, exhaust manifolds, even date-coded reproduction spark plug wires dated 1967. The firewall's clean, reproduction clamps. It has a Delco battery topper with reproduction battery cables. Nice disconnect. You can disconnect it when you go away on vacation or park the car for the winter. The right shroud and gas cap. It has power steering and power brakes, and it's nice cadmium plated booster. All the wiring looks like new. The squirters are hooked up. This is a really nice motor compartment. It has the double hump heads, all the brackets, pulleys, alternator, everything looks like new.
We are in this beautiful red 67 RS. We're going to take her around the block, see how she does. Again, that 5-speed Tremec trans shifts nice and firm. The gearing's, it's kind of notchy. It feels really good. Love the shifter position with the Muncie shifter. The white ball shifter is the shift knob's very, very comfortable. Ride's pretty straight. Power steering works effortlessly. Man, there's something about just driving a classic car that really puts a smile on your face. A lot of people like the 69s over the 67 and 8s. It's just the body style they go to, but I like the 67s. The wing windows are definitely a nice touch. Power brakes work really nice. It's a very nice restoration. The mirrors aren't rattling or anything like that. They stay in place. Got a little bit of traffic here, so we'll wait. All right, let's open her up and see how she does. Turn signal lights up and it cancels. Just like that, doing 60 miles an hour, guys. It's driving nice and straight down the road. This was a rotisserie restoration that was performed, and it shows gauges are working. Radio is a retrofit. That works as well. Just got to change the station on it. Looks like it has AM, FM, and CD players somewhere that's probably hidden. The wipers, I believe, work. Yep. Good to know. Sun visors stay up. They don't fall down. The mirror doesn't move an inch. Sometimes these get loose and they start to sag over bumps. It'll jiggle loose. This one's nice. People are breaking their necks right now staring at this thing. Very fun car to drive.
So underneath this car is also immaculate. The floors are just spotless, smooth metal with a nice semi-gloss finish. All the suspension, front end components, all been apart, rebuilt and detailed. Shocks replaced. Has a little bit of a custom exhaust, has an H-pipe, has Flowmaster mufflers, sounds really great. You look up at the motor, it's just spotless. The starter looks fresh. Upgraded to the 5-speed Tremec trans, so that's all new. The trans, the clutch, all that was done just a few years ago, but not many miles on it. 10-bolt rear end. Fuel tank looks new. The lines, e-brake cables, all of that looks real nice. It's drum brakes all around. That's what they had in '67. Discs didn't come out yet. So yeah, just a great car. And I'm correcting myself. The Z28s did have disc brakes, but I don't think it was an option on any other Camaro. Go to volocars.com. This is a special one right here. It's exceptional. Salesmen can help answer the rest of your questions, including how to get it delivered to your door, how to finance it. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.